Porting thousands of lines of code between programming languages used to take weeks. With AI, you can do a solid first pass in minutes. The core workflow is simple. Paste your source code into an AI chat interface, like ChatGPT or Claude, and ask it to rewrite the code in your target language. For example, paste a Python function and say, rewrite this in TypeScript. The AI reads the logic, maps it to the new language structure, and returns working code ready for you to review. AI models are particularly strong at translating syntax and idioms between popular languages. A Python list comprehension becomes a JavaScript array map. A Python f-string becomes a template literal. A Java for each loop becomes a Swift for in loop, for common language pairs. Python to JavaScript, Java to Kotlin, C# to TypeScript. AI handles these translations reliably and with correct naming conventions. That said, watch out for two things. First, some language-specific features have no direct equivalent. Python decorators, Go routines, or Rust's ownership model may require manual rework after translation. Second, always verify that the translated code handles edge cases the same way as the original. Null values, empty collections, integer boundaries. AI gets the happy path right, but edge case behavior can quietly change. AI makes cross-language code translation fast and accurate. Just paste your source, translate, then carefully verify edge cases and any language-specific details. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.